My sister Emma is 2 years older than me. When we were children, we shared a room. We shared clothes. We shared secrets. But when I was 25 years old, I stopped talking to her. For 3 full years. We lived in the same city. We had the same phone number for our parents. But we did not say one word to each other. Not hello. Not happy birthday. Nothing. Today, I want to tell you why. And I want to tell you how we finally spoke again. This story is about pride, misunderstanding, and a small accident that changed everything. When I was young, my sister Emma was my hero. She protected me from bullies at school. She helped me with my math homework. When I cried, she gave me a hug and said, "Don't worry, I'm here." We had a special secret language when we were children. Just small sounds and hand signs. We used it to talk about people at dinner without our parents understanding. Emma invented most of it. I just followed. When she left for university, I cried for 3 days. I felt like half of me was gone. She called me every night at 9 p.m. Even when she was busy with friends. Even when she had exams. She always called. The problem started after she got married. Her husband's name is Michael. He is a good man. Quiet. Kind. But after the wedding, Emma changed. She stopped calling every night. She forgot my birthday once. Twice. I told myself she is busy. She has a new family now. It's normal. But inside, I felt angry. I felt left behind. One day, I invited her to coffee. I wanted to tell her how I felt. But when we sat down, she looked at her phone the whole time. She answered 3 work emails. She sent a text message to Michael. She did not look at me. I said, "Emma, can you please put the phone down?" She said, "I'm listening. Go ahead." But she was not listening. I stood up. I put money for my coffee on the table. And I said, "Forget it." She looked confused. "What? Why are you angry?" I said, "You don't care about me anymore. You only care about your phone and your husband. I'm done." And I walked out. That was the last real conversation we had for 3 years. At first, the silence felt good. I felt strong. I told myself she will call me. She will apologize. Then I will forgive her. But she did not call. Days became weeks. Weeks became months. Every morning I checked my phone. No message from Emma. Every night I thought, tomorrow she will call. But tomorrow never came. The strange thing was, we still saw each other. At our parents' house for Christmas. At family birthdays. We sat at the same table. We ate the same food. But we did not speak. My mother tried to fix it. "Please," she said. "Just say hello to each other." I said, "She should say hello first." Emma probably said the same thing about me. So we stayed silent. 2 sisters. 3 years. Less than 2 meters apart. Not saying one word. 3 years passed. I stopped checking my phone every morning. I stopped feeling angry. I just felt empty. I missed her. But my pride was too big. I could not be the first one to speak. Then one day my phone rang. It was a number I did not know. I almost did not answer. But something told me to pick up. It was a nurse from a hospital. "Are you related to Emma Patterson?" she asked. My heart stopped. "Yes. She is my sister." "Is she okay?" "She had a small accident. She fell down the stairs. She is fine, but she has a broken arm. She asked us to call you." I drove to the hospital so fast. I ran to her room. When I opened the door, I saw Emma sitting on the bed. Her arm was in a white cast. Her face was pale. But when she saw me, she smiled. And then she started crying. I sat next to her on the bed. I took her good hand. And we both cried. "I'm sorry," she said. "I'm so sorry. I was a bad sister. I was too busy. I was stupid." I shook my head. "No. I'm sorry. I should not have walked away. I should have stayed and talked. I was proud. And stupid too." She laughed a little. "Remember our secret language?" I laughed too. "Of course." She made a small hand sign. It meant, "I love you. I am here." I made the same sign back. The nurse came in and looked confused. "Are you two making secret signals?" Emma looked at me and smiled. Yes, she said. We are sisters. That's what we do. Emma's arm healed after 6 weeks. But our relationship took longer. We are still learning how to be sisters again. We still make mistakes. Sometimes she forgets to call. Sometimes I feel angry. But now I do not walk away. I stay. I talk. I say, hey, I need you right now. And she says, I'm here. I learned that silence is dangerous. Not because it is loud, but because it is easy. It is easy to say nothing. It is easy to wait for the other person to speak first. But waiting, it can cost you 3 years. 3 years of coffee dates we never had. 3 years of inside jokes we never shared. 3 years of I love you that I said to my pillow instead of to her. Do not wait. If you are not talking to someone you love, be the first one to speak. You do not need to win. You just need to try. Thank you for listening to this Level 3 English story. The vocabulary for today is in the description below. Here is my question for you. Is there someone you have not talked to for a long time? A friend? A family member? Maybe today is the day to send a small message. Just, hello. Just, I miss you. You don't need to solve everything at once. Just start. I will see you in the next story. Bye-bye.